Question is from J Maths, Limit Chapter 2026. Let us see the question. Question is, let f be a function from real number to 0 to infinity, means positive real number. Be a twice differentiable function, means you can differentiate it twice, such that f3 is 18, f dash 3 is 0, and f double dash 3 is 4. Then limit x tends to 1, log base e of f of 2 plus x upon f of 3 raised to the power 18 upon x minus 1 square bracket closed is equal to, these are the options you have to select. So you have the given expression like this, fx is like this, where fx is limit x tends to 1 log base e f of 2 plus x upon f of 3 18 upon x minus 1 square, and f3 is 18, f dash 3 is 0, f double dash 3 is 4. You have to find this value. Okay, this is to be find out. Let us see, very easy question. For that, you know, one formula is that whenever you have limit, suppose x tends to a, and you have the expression like this, fx power gx, where fx tends to 1 and gx tends to infinity, means 1 to the power infinity form if it is taking, okay, as x tends to a. If this is the case, then its limit will be calculated as limit x tends to a, and there is one formula that says e, and then you will have gx, e raised to the power gx into fx minus 1. This limit you have to find out. Okay, so in this way you will be able to tackle it. Okay, whenever you see 1 by infinity format. Now here we are able to see that this is the format of 1 by 1 power infinity. Sorry, how? When x tends to 1, this is your log base e. F of 2 plus 1 is 3 f of 3. So f of 3 and f of 3 will get cancelled. This is 1. Now power is 18 upon 1 minus 1, means 18 upon 0. Anything upon 0 is infinity. So you can see 1 power infinity format is this. So we will apply this formula. Okay. So how to do it? Let us see. And one more thing I will do over here is that I will calculate only this one. Okay. Then I will transform it to log e with this. So I will try to calculate limit x tends to 1 of this function only. So let us see. So let t is your limit x tends to 1, and of the function f of 2 plus x upon f of 3 raised to the power 18 upon x minus 1 square. Okay, afterwards we will do what? We will raise this, whatever you get as t, you will apply log e t. That will be your answer. Okay. So let us see. So this is the form of limit x tends to 1 power infinity format. Okay. So this will be reduced to, using the above identity, is that e raised to the power 18 upon x minus 1 square into f of 2 plus x upon f of 3 minus 1. Okay. So in the next step, now I think you have understood. Those who have understood, they can solve on their own. What will be the value? X minus 1 square and f of 2 plus x minus f of 3 upon f of 3. And let us see who is doing faster, me or you. Limit x tends to 1, e raised to the power. Now you can see that this is taking the format of when you are putting x1. So you are getting a 18 upon x minus 1 square. Now f3. f3 is given as, can you see, 18. So we will apply that value also. So 18 e raised to the power x minus 1 square into f of 2 plus x minus f of 3 upon 18. So this time 18 and 18 will get cancelled. So you will be left with limit x tends to 1 e raised to the power f of 2 plus x minus f of 3 divided by x minus 1 square. And this is the form of 0, 0. How? If you put x is equal to 1 here, so it will give you 2 plus 1, 3. F of 3 means 0, and this is also 0. 0 by 0 form means L orbital rule, you can use it here. So now we will apply that it is a 0 by 0 format. So you can write it 0 by 0. So L orbital rule we will apply. So let us see is equal to limit x tends to 1 e. So f dash 2 plus x minus f3 is f3, you can write it 18, 18 differentiation is 0 upon this will give you 2x minus 1. Again here also you see when you put x1, so f dash 3, f dash 3 is given as 0. Can you see this? F dash 3 is 0. So and x minus 1 is also 0. So again we have to apply the same L'Hopital rule once more. So limit x tends to 1. You can write it here also 0 by 0 format. So e, now I will do double differentiation 2 plus x upon 2 into 1 because x minus 1 differentiation is 1. Now f double dash 3 is what? 4. So I can write it as, now we can limit x tends to 1 means e f double dash 2 plus 1 upon 2. So f double dash is 4 by 2. So you are getting e power 2. But we have to find what? We have to find our original fx was what? Limit x tends to 1 log base e, and this whole thing. What was the whole thing of this function? F of 2 plus x and by f3 and power by f3, and this power is 18 by x minus 1 square. So just now we have calculated this one with limit x tends to 1 as e power 2. So I will write it as log e and e power 2, which will give you 2. So this is your answer, and you can see which option is this. 2 is your this option D correct. So we will write option D correct. Okay, thank you.